Let's take a look at Art Level 2. At the beginning of the book, you will find the scope and sequence, helpful tips, the course description, course overview, features, objectives, and more. Course components include Bible time, target practice, art talk, extra fun, creation, inspiration, special art, project and review project, plus let's meet the characters. A master supply list is included, as well as the suggested daily schedule at 2 lessons per week. Art Level 2, where little hands create big discoveries. Connect scripture and creativity through Bible-based art lessons for second graders. This hands-on curriculum encourages curiosity, exploration, and fun, with cross-curricular connections to science that help children see the wonder of God's design. Art Level 2 develops foundational skills through short, open and go lessons. Children practice tracing, cutting, drawing lines and shapes, coloring, painting, and simple sculpting, while finger and hand exercises build coordination. Students learn to recognize and use elements of art like line, color, pattern, and texture. Children will build confidence through this course as they create hands-on projects. More than anything, they will learn to glorify God through making art.